Hi, my name is John Sligh with Edina Realty in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. And what I'd like to do today is talk to you about strategies that we can use to help make sure a seller gets the most money for their property when they go to sell it. And we have a new program called the Concierge program. And what it is, it's a way for sellers to do some pre-sale fixes and updating before they put it on the market. So what we do is we bring in a professional stager. We go through the property, agent, seller, and the stager. We make a list of things that could be done to make it more updated. And then the stager goes back and puts some numbers to those recommendations. And then the agent and the seller will sit down and decide, does this make sense? If we sold it as is, what would that price be? If we spent the money to do the fixes, what would the selling price be in that instance? So you could have somebody that maybe just needs some painting, some carpeting, maybe some new light fixtures, all the way up to maybe a refresh on the bathrooms, refresh on the kitchen where they're painting cabinets and things like that. But the point is, we get a number, maybe it's $15,000, $20,000. But if you could get another $40,000 or $50,000 for your house, maybe it's worth doing. And the beauty of the program is that the payment for these renovations would not be due until the closing. So you can get the fixes done. You can take advantage of a higher price because you're attracting more buyers, because when they're looking online, they're looking at updated houses. And if you could get a higher price, it might be worth looking at. So if you have any questions at all about our concierge program or about the real estate market or anything else real estate related, go to my website, johnsligh.com, or give me a call at 612-327-3123, and I'd be glad to answer any questions you might have. All right, good luck out there.